Good morning. Good morning, everyone. If I could ask you to please go ahead and grab your seat, we'll go ahead here and get started. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's celebration. My name is Kathy Temple. I am the Director of Employee Experience, and this is by far one of my favorite days of the year, where we get to hear a lot of great stories about so many well-deserving employees and physicians and providers here at UI Health. To kick off the celebration, I'd like to invite our Vice Chancellor of Health Affairs, Dr. Robert Barish.
Okay. Thank you, Kathy, and welcome to our rendition of the Academy Awards here, right? It's a great day. So it's a great pleasure to welcome all of our nominees and their families and friends for this year's Hospital and Clinics Recognition Ceremony. Just a couple words here. So everyone within UI Health plays an important role that drives the excellence of our hospital and clinical operations. This annual celebration brings together a few of the most remarkable members of our healthcare family to pay tribute to their enormously significant contributions to our mission. The people we are here to honor this afternoon embody our greatest aspirations to serve the communities and depend on our knowledge, research, discoveries, and compassion to further the well-being of all. At this annual celebration, and thank you, Kathy, again, for putting this together, we pause to celebrate the current and future leaders across healthcare professions. We will be recognizing the outstanding performance within UI Health in the categories of Nursing Excellence, TIE, Award of Merit, the Joseph B. Abraham Award, Employee of the Year, Resident Fellow of the Year, Advanced Practice Provider, and Physician of the Year. So quite a number of awards. So I look forward to applauding each of the prominent individuals who we were selected to be recognized this year for their contributions and service to our patients. I want to congratulate everyone in advance and extend my personal gratitude for all of you that elevate our work and for the distinction you bring to our academic health enterprise. So, Kathy, thank you.
Sure. All right, well, we'll go ahead and kick it right off and get right back into it. I'd like to invite Dr. Barish to please join us back on stage. Dr. Rosenblatt, you too, and Dr. Hughes Dillard, will you please join us as well? Our first group of award recipients today we're going to recognize are the 2024 Nursing Excellence Award recipients. The Excellence in Nurse Leadership Award acknowledges UI Health nursing staff nominated by their peers for excellence in leadership, mentoring, professional practice, and quality. Each of these award recipients was recognized and acknowledged earlier this year in May during Nurses Week. When I call your name, I know some of them are able to be with us here today. When I call your name, please make your way towards the stage. Excellence in Clinical Nursing, Jeffrey Mahigran. Excellence in Education and Mentorship, Mark Kosla. Excellence in Community Care, Chelsea Love. Excellence in Nursing Leadership, Blessy Polly. Excellence in Patient Care Support, Erica Mallet. And then the Rising Star, Divine Grace, Araneta. Please join us up front. We'll put you in the middle. Congratulations, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Hyde, thank you. All right, well, I'd now like to introduce you to our 2024 Award of Merit recipients. The Award of Merit is given annually to 10 UI Health employees who demonstrate overall excellence in all aspects of their work, is a role model for the eye care behaviors, and demonstrates a patient-first mentality. The Award of Merit recipients will be recognized formally at the UIC November Recognition Celebration, where they will receive not only a small memento, but a $3,000 monetary prize. When I call your name, please make your way to the stage, and I will read a small little portion of this person's nomination packet. Rainier Abundo, medical dosimetrist from Radiation Oncology. Rainier not only ensures patients at UI Health receive the best radiotherapy treatments possible, but he is also able to make the radiation oncology staff smile and laugh. He increases team morale through his hard work, strong teamwork, and enhancing the work environment. With our patients and complexity of care increasing, Rainier has never failed to rise to the challenge of ensuring efficient department operations. Congratulations to Rainier. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Sonia Amesqua, staff nurse from the Craniofacial Center. Sonia has been an integral part of the preoperative, postoperative, and follow-up care of children. Her long-term relationship with these children and their families is built upon the trust she engenders. She demonstrates profound compassion by listening carefully to understand what needs they may have beyond the obvious medical care sought. We should all approach our work with the same exceptional excellence, humility, honesty, and humanity as Sonia. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Kelly Carroll, Assistant Director of Medical Staff Services. Kelly manages the complex process of hospital privileges with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. Her meticulous attention to detail ensures that all physician credentials are up to date and meet the highest standards. She actively participates in educational programs and conferences, keeping herself updated on the latest trends and best practices in medical staff services. So congratulations to Kelly. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Kathy Cloninger, lactation specialist for Mother Baby. Kathy has a teaching style that is learner-driven, answering questions or demonstrating behavior as and when questions come up, because she truly believes that learning happens when we make space for it. Kathy continuously exhibits compassion, empathy, and a calm demeanor while also maintaining the highest clinical standards. She is a model of unselfish care. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Roya Qasim, medical assistants from the Arthritis and Kidney Clinic. Here she comes. Roya exhibits a high standard of clinical expertise and professional conduct. She consistently exceeds performance expectations, delivering outstanding patient care with precision and empathy. Roya has strong problem-solving skills and serves as a role model for all of us in terms of her unwavering commitment to the highest level of excellence in patient care. Congratulations to Roya. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Ashley Haglund, Director of Marketing and Communications. Ashley has consistently demonstrated exceptional leadership, creativity, and dedication in her role, significantly contributing to the awareness of UI Health's providers' experience, expertise, and improving patient engagement. As a key leader in partnerships with the rollout of dexametry, she is facilitating more efficient connections among our doctors, promoting the sharing of critical information, and supporting ongoing professional development. Congratulations, Ash. Next up will be Christina Lopez. Christina is a clinical nurse specialist from the NICU. Christina can be relied upon as a creative thinker and to anticipate needs that move the UIH clinical practice forward, and most importantly, to enhance the name of UI Health in the community. Christina's calm and approachable style is ideal for mentoring, making her a great resource for new staff. Christina is a passionate advocate for the NICU team. Her presence makes the NICU a better place, ensuring that we are always delivering the best care for our patients. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Ivan Moreno, ophthalmology technician from the ophthalmology clinic. Ivan routinely goes out of his way to take on additional clinical responsibilities to provide the utmost excellence in patient care. His work on the retina service has been consistently recognized as outstanding, and as such, he has been provided with new opportunities. Ivan has a wonderful personal character that makes him a favorite amongst his peers. He is clearly committed to his work and takes pride in going above and beyond. Congratulations, Ivan. Next up is Emmanuel Olaifa, Administrative Nurse 1 from Adolescent Psychiatry. Emmanuel has consistently gone above and beyond in his role, demonstrating a deep commitment to providing the highest standards of care to our patients. His compassion, empathy, and clinical expertise have not only impacted the lives of countless individuals, but have also set a remarkable example for his colleagues to follow. Emmanuel, congratulations. And last but certainly not least, Gail Skolick, Clinical Nurse Consultant, Infection Prevention. Gail has a passion for educating others and being a resource to the hospital and clinics. She consistently demonstrates dedication, collaboration, empathy, and excellence in all she does to advance the care of patients at UI Health. Gail is very active and essential member of the CLABSI QST Task Force, and with her engagement, UI Health has been able to implement a number of large-scale changes in an effort to reduce hospital-acquired infections. Congratulations, Gail. So how about one last round of applause for all 10 of our Award of Merit. I would next like to introduce you to our 2024 Joseph V. Abraham Leadership Award recipients, or nominees, I should say. Established in 2021 in recognition of Joe Abraham's retirement, this leadership award honors Joe's work and 31 years of service to UI Health and the Imaging and Diagnostic Services team. This award is meant to motivate hospital staff to pursue leadership opportunities in imaging and diagnostic services, which include maybe perhaps pursuing higher education, accepting promotions, and when the opportunity arises. It is without a doubt my honor to welcome Joe Abraham back to UI Health. And Joe, I'll ask you to come up and join us, please. I'd also like to invite Dr. Shelley Major, our Chief Clinical Operations Officer, to also join us for this award. So let me now introduce you to the nominees. When I call your name, please make your way up front. Alexander Arigan, Interventional Radiology Specialist. Alex consistently goes above and beyond to assist patients and staff, ensuring patients are comfortable and well-informed about their procedures. His inclusive and compassionate approach is evident in every interaction. His positive, upbeat attitude is contagious and dramatically enhances everyone's work environment. So congratulations, Alexander. In my spare time, I'm a photo director. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Kamal Chafi, Cardiac Sonographer Specialist. Kamal consistently demonstrates UI Health's core values, leadership qualities, and dedication to his patients in the department daily. His personality, expertise within the field of echocardiography, communication style, and mutual respect of peers and staff all lend themselves to incredible growth. So congratulations to Kamal. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Miriam Givergeese, Radiologic Specialist. Miriam is highly motivated. Her work ethic and communication skills are exemplary. She is a quick learner and passes on what she has learned to others. Miriam makes the eye care values a priority and always delivers a great patient experience. Congratulations to Miriam. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Zoe Lukens, a staff nurse from Imaging and Diagnostic Services. Zoe always puts the patients first in all encounters and has strived to improve the patient experience within diagnostic services. She has demonstrated her ability to work collaboratively and cooperatively with other members of the healthcare team. Patients and staff feel seen and heard when interacting with her. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Wanda Quilley, Information Services Supervisor from Imaging and Diagnostic. Wanda consistently shows compassion, accountability, respect, and excellence in all that she does. She is dedicated to supporting every department and organizational initiative shared with her. From daily huddles and an auditing audit, she completes them consistently. She manages each patient's concern with grace and dignity, ensuring that the team always gets it right for the patient. So congratulations to Wanda. And last but certainly not least, Andalib Zadan, MRI specialist. Andalib is responsive to others and generates insightful ideas which contribute positively to the section. She has recently contributed to the patient experience efforts as a champion in the MRI area. She is very engaging and presents opportunities for improvement to the staff, focusing on the fine details of patient visits. She always puts patients first to ensure they receive safe and world-class service. So congratulations. All right, well, now that you've met all of our nominees, I'd like to invite Dr. Shelley Major to introduce us to our 2024 recipient. Shelley?
Thanks, Kathy. It gives me great pleasure to be able to introduce you to our 2024 Joseph V. Abraham Leadership Award recipient. Let me start by telling you a few things about our recipient. This award recipient consistently impresses their colleagues with their unwavering dedication to our patients and the department. Our recipient has taken the lead in assisting and guiding new teammates with unit protocols, procedures, and operational needs. Our recipient displays compassion, empathy, and respect, all while ensuring they are providing stellar patient care. Critical results and questionable findings are immediately reported, and our recipient can appropriately identify independently when additional imaging is needed. Our recipient sets the expectation across the department and roles that only by working together can we ensure that the patient's needs can and will be met. Our recipient independently seeks out educational opportunities by reading guidelines, discussing with colleagues, and attending conferences and courses to remain on the cutting edge of care. When our recipient identified inconsistencies in the measurement of the aortic root, he researched guidelines, confirmed proper techniques, and with his physician leaders, and then taught other sonographers, resulting in marked improvement in the evaluation of aorta enlargement. As one physician noted, I know that any study with Kamal's name will have been done with care, precision, and quality. It's my pleasure to announce the 2024 Joseph V. Abraham Leadership Award recipient to Kamal Chaffee. Congratulations.
Wait, we're not done yet. Wait, no, welcome. Welcome. So yes, congratulations, Kamal, and we'll receive a $1,000 monetary prize. Again, based on the Joseph E. Abraham Leadership Award. Everybody's got to come up. Come on, Mom. All right, congratulations, Kamal. Thank you, Joe. Thank you very much. All right, well, that's exciting. We got a few more of those to do. Now you understand why it's my favorite day of the year. So by the way, the bank won't take that big check, just so you know. Okay, so this year I am pleased to share with you that we have actually a few special individuals today that are with us that are celebrating either 35 years of work here at UI Health or 40 years of service here to UI Health. And 3 of the 4 are here with us today. And so I'd like to introduce you to them and tell you a little bit about them and invite them to come up on stage. So we do have 2 outstanding individuals who are celebrating 35 years of service. And if you can believe it, they started in the year 1989. So wait, I'm going to take you way back. Here's a few fun facts about the year 1989 if you're ready. The pilot episode of Seinfeld aired on NBC. Batman with Michael Keaton was the top grossing film. The gallon of gas, $1. A loaf of bread was 61 cents, and a dozen eggs was 79 cents. That was a long time ago. Let me introduce you, please, to Martha Montez. Martha, please come up and join us. Martha celebrated 35 years of service at UI Health on August 6th. Martha told me she began her career at UI Health as a student employee working on data entry in the mother-baby unit. Her interest in nursing then was sparked, and she enrolled into a nursing program to complete her undergraduate studies. She has worked as a nurse tech, staff nurse 2, clinical nurse educator, and is currently an AN1 for mother-baby. Martha shares that she is dedicated to learning, guiding, and supporting her peers. So Martha, congratulations on 35 years. I'd like to invite Kathy Cloninger back up on stage. We just met Kathy a moment ago, but she is also celebrating 35 years, and she'll actually celebrate in December. She shared that when she started on December 23rd of 1989, that during her first week, after working with so many people and with different nationalities and taking care of so many of our underserved patients, she thought to herself, this is exactly where I want to be. She started working as an RN and is now the NICU lactation consultant, and her favorite part about her job is helping people learn and grow, both her patients and her staff. Happy anniversary. Now it is absolutely my pleasure to introduce you to a remarkable woman. Gloria Jones is celebrating 40 years today. Gloria, please join us. Gloria joined us on April 1st in 1984. We got you at 40, lady. You are A-okay. So Gloria is currently a patient unit clerk in Mother Baby. Let me tell you about a few facts of 1984. You ready? Apple aired the 1984 Macintosh commercial. Y'all remember that, right? Alex Trebek took over the stage at Jeopardy. Ghostbusters was the highest grossing film. And a ticket to the movies only cost $2.50, and a stamp was just 21 cents. Gloria shared with me that when she began at UI Health, it wasn't even called UI Health. It was called the Illinois Research and Educational Hospital, and it was over on Wood Street. And she's told me that she has watched her entire family grow up here, that her children were just in grammar school when she started here, and now she is a proud mom and proud grandma, and a great-grandmother. So congratulations to Gloria. Okay, well now we're going to move on to our of the year award nominees, and we're going to name some more recipients for 2024. All of our award of the year nominees exemplify the eye care values. They put the patients first in all encounters. They collaborate with others across all areas to deliver outstanding patient care service. They recognize others for their contributions to UI Health, and they're very respected by their peers. At no time do I or any of our executives vote. This is all a peer selection, and so I will encourage you to nominate more people for next year. But when I call your name, please make your way to the stage. And we're going to start with our Employee of the Year nominees. Our Employee of the Year nominees were either received a Daisy Award or a Class Act Award, one of the highest levels that we do internally here at UI Health. Let me introduce you to Joseph Balto, staff nurse from dialysis. Joe stands out amongst his peers for his strong work ethic and dedication to patient care. Whether working in a team setting or engagement with our diverse patients, he ensures that all voices are heard and that everyone feels supported. Joe keeps the patient at the center of his focus and is a model servant leader. Congratulations. Let me introduce you to our next nominee is Tatiana Bonete-Ho. I apologize for that, it always struggles. She's an administrative nurse on the 8th floor. Tatiana embodies, yeah, please. She embodies compassion, knowledge, and a collaborative spirit, and she is always willing to support her colleagues. Her dedication has led to improved patient outcomes, increased satisfaction, and a more positive work environment. Her leadership has fostered a culture of teamwork, respect, and accountability. Her colleagues regard her, highly respect her, and frequently seek out her advice and guidance. So congratulations. Sharon Davis, Clinical Education Coordinator of Physical Therapy. Sharon is incredibly passionate about student education, and she is always striving to give students the best clinical experience possible. She acts as a leader and mentor, not only to the students, but to staff as well. She remains up to date with the latest clinical education topics and is consistently seeking out ways to improve UI Health's physical therapy department. Congratulations. Let me next introduce you to Erica Harris, Care Manager from Care Coordination. Erica routinely demonstrates care, respect, and compassion for patients and the issues she brings to leadership, and those that she highlights her colleagues with their best behaviors and practices. She usually models this in a compassionate and thoughtful way. Erica consistently ensures that each patient receives personalized attention and support throughout their transition from hospital to home. So congratulations to Erica. Next up, I'd like to introduce you to Danette Ligas, staff nurse from pediatrics. Danette consistently goes above and beyond. Even on the busiest of shifts, she never stops going the extra mile to make sure her patients get the best possible care, demonstrating great initiative and commitment to her patients' health. Without fail, she goes out of her way to reassure patients and their loved ones, creating an atmosphere of trust and genuine connection in the process. So congratulations. Once again, I'm going to invite Ivan Moreno from Ophthalmology back to the stage. Ivan was also nominated, an Employee of the Year nominee, as he was a Class Act and a Daisy recipient within the year. Ivan, right, I know. Ivan has outstanding clinical skills. His exam workups are always very thorough and accurate. He has a can-do attitude and leads by example. He is intellectually curious and always asking questions about care that we provide to our patients. His great attention to detail allows him to excel in the roles assigned to him. Sarah O'Keefe from Physical Therapy. Sarah is one of the first people to offer assistance, answer questions, or give advice on how to handle complex situations. She personifies excellence and accountability every day. She is consistently and actively involved in fostering an environment of support and improvement. She has remarkable patience and compassion with all of her patients. Congratulations. Next up, we have Rosa Ramirez, a customer service representative from Ophthalmology. Rosa is a very dedicated, hardworking, and extremely detail-oriented team member. Her personality and boundless energy create a positive and uplifting environment for patients and staff. Her compassionate nature brings joy to patients despite hardships and challenging health conditions. Her infectious laughter can be heard resounding throughout the clinic. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Eliseo Rastrullo, Administrative Nurse from 7 Northeast. Eli takes the time to listen to his patients and addresses concerns right away. He has been instrumental in fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose amongst the team. His collaborative efforts have improved patient care and inspired the team to work together towards a common goal. He serves as a teacher, patient advocate, and a resource for his colleagues. Congratulations, Eli. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Leslie Tejeda, Medical Office Coordinator from Neurosciences. Putting patients first is at the forefront of Leslie's approach to healthcare. She consistently goes above and beyond to ensure the delivery of world-class patient care, demonstrating empathy, compassion, and an unwavering commitment. She actively collaborates with colleagues across all departments. Congratulations, Leslie. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Lester Vincencio, Administrative Nurse from 8 West. Lester embodies the spirit of employee engagement, fostering a positive and collaborative work environment. One of his most remarkable qualities is his commitment to recognizing and celebrating the hard work and dedication of his colleagues. He advocates for his patients' safety, especially paying attention to our patients receiving chemotherapy and bone marrow transplants. Congratulations, Lester. And last but certainly not least, I see you trying to get up. Come on, Stephanie. This is Stephanie Vodopich, Coordinator of Inpatient Rehab and Quality. Stephanie fosters an environment where every patient and team member feels valued and included. Her compassion is unparalleled. She treats each patient with kindness, empathy, and understanding, significantly enhancing their overall experience and outcomes. She is a collaborative force within our hospital, working seamlessly with colleagues across all areas to deliver comprehensive and high-quality care. So now that you've met all of our nominees, I'd like to invite Dr. Rosenblatt to introduce us to our recipient of this year.
Thank you so much. What a wonderful group of people who are part of our community. And it gives me pleasure to say even more great things about our 2024 Employee of the Year. Our Employee of the Year was described to us as committed to providing the very best possible care, a true team player, dedicated to UI Health, the team, and the patients, does the right thing every time. Our Employee of the Year approaches every interaction with empathy and understanding, always ready to lend a listening ear or a helping hand. Our recipient can connect with others on a deep and meaningful level. Whether working in a team setting or engaging with our diverse patients, our Employee of the Year ensures that all voices are heard and that everyone feels supported. They treat everyone with dignity and kindness and value the perspective and experience of others, fostering a culture of mutual respect that encourages open dialogue and collaboration. Patients have also commented on our Employee of the Year. They described our Employee of the Year as very caring and helpful, empathetic and graceful, meticulous and caring. The Employee of the Year excels in his clinical judgment. He picks up on issues that others may have missed. One of his nominators said, "Joe is someone who does the right thing every time, not based on praise, but on solid moral conviction and dedication to patient care." So with that, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce you to the 2024 Employee of the Year, Joseph Balto. Joseph.
Oh, don't be shy, you gotta come up now. There's your mom, I know. Surprise! There we go. Come on, the rest of the family, come up with. Come on. There we go. Joe, we already know your family. We've been talking for months. Once again, congratulations, Joe. Very well deserved. Okay, Joe, you're welcome. Joe, you're welcome to sit with your family. No? And in case you missed that, Joe will receive a $5,000 monetary prize, and he also does have an award as well. So congratulations. All right, well, we're going to move right on, and I'd now like to introduce you to all of our nominees for the Resident and/or Fellow of the Year. And so let me introduce you to the nominees. And again, as I call your name, please feel free to make your way up front. Dr. Rodosta, would you mind joining us on stage, please? Okay, our first nominee is Owais Abdul Kafi, a fellow for interventional cardiology. Owais is a true partner in decision-making and management. He is engaged in patient care and takes complete ownership of patients and junior trainees under his care. He consistently demonstrates compassion and empathy, seeing the humanity in every patient and colleague. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Joe Archer, resident of Family and Community Medicine. Thank you. Joe is compassionate, knowledgeable, and driven. He is a person who fights hard to improve the health of his patients, regardless of socioeconomic background. He has excellent medical knowledge, history, and physician exam skills. Joe establishes a rapport with all of his patients and is a very collaborative physician. So congratulations, Joe. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Alexia Armenta, another fellow from Emergency Management. Alexia is a champion for everybody. She embodies the mission of the department, Health for Everyone. In the ED, she is steady and calm with a wonderful sense of humor. She routinely goes above and beyond to ensure her patients understand and can navigate the healthcare system, making clinic appointments for them and securing medication access. So congratulations, Alexia. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Rebecca Garber, a resident from Internal Medicine. Rebecca is passionate about expanding availability of the transition of care appointments to ensure the best follow-up care possible. Her dedication to patient and resident education is palpable, and she has recently published an educational resource for residents to use to navigate critical concerns that arise while caring for patients in the CDU. So congratulations, Rebecca. So that is our Senior Director of Marketing and Communications, making sure we get all the pictures right. Thanks, Rachel. Also nominated today, Saeed Khalid, a resident from Neurosurgery. I don't believe Saeed was able to join us today, so we'll send a round of congratulations for him. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Shankar Logaraha, resident from Surgery. There we go. Shankar is an excellent clinician with advanced clinical acumen and technical skills that have made him an incredibly reliable resident and excellent teacher. His dedication to his patients is outstanding. On more than one occasion, his patients have commented on his exceptional care and communication. He always carries out his duties to the highest level and always does so with a smile. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Michelle Mizrahi Yafi from Pediatrics Residents. To her patients, Michelle is known as a reliable, thorough, detail-oriented physician who ensures that not one item of the child's problem list is left untreated and undiscussed. She fluently connects families to much-needed resources and maintains a familiar rapport with the children she cares for throughout the year. She has performed multiple initial medical exams for refugee children seeking asylum into the United States, further exemplifying her dedication to equitably caring for all patients that walk in. Congratulations. And finally, I'd like to introduce you to, but certainly not last, but certainly not least, Paloma Reynoso, a fellow from Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. Paloma exemplifies clinical excellence in her work with patients. Her diagnostic acumen and treatment interventions consistently reflect a deep understanding of the complex needs of children and adolescents struggling with mental health issues. She is a passionate advocate for the underserved populations. She has led diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives both within UI Health and in the community at large. Congratulations, Paloma. I would now like to invite Dr. Rodista over to announce to us our 2024 recipient.
Well, thank you, and what a tremendous honor to be nominated for this. Congratulations to all of our nominees. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our 2024 Resident or Fellow of the Year. Let me tell you a little about this person. The first day our Resident of the Year started at UI Health, the department leadership knew they had someone special in their program, someone who fights hard to improve the health of their patients, regardless of socioeconomic background. Our Resident of the Year finds immense joy and motivation in helping their patients overcome the barriers they face when trying to reach their healthcare goals, regardless of the setting they deliver the healthcare in. Often you can visibly watch a patient relax when the presence of our Residents of the Year, as they quickly realize they have a doctor who will take care of their medical problems, always while treating them as a unique person with a unique life. Our Resident of the Year has a deep-rooted passion for service. Their commitment to caring for vulnerable populations can be seen in their work as a volunteer medical provider with the Night Ministry mobile team. Once a week, they ride with the Night Ministry van with their team, meeting Chicago's unsheltered population where they live to provide on-site medical care, food, toiletries, harm reduction materials, and other basic needs. This work is on top of their significant resident workload. He has further proved his commitment to underserved care by electing to be our first Rural Pathway resident to rotate at the Indian Head Services Center in Chinle, Arizona, learning to provide health care to a Native American population in a rural setting. Joe excels on any team, including interprofessional teams, which not only make him a leader within our residency program, but helps us efficiently deliver excellent health care in a robust academic institution. Recently, Joe and another resident implemented a QI project to expand the scope of the Reach Out and Read program at Miles Square Health Center. The program provides children with books at each well child visit, helping to promote literacy. Joe sets the example of outstanding health care we strive to provide at UI Health. Please join me in saying congratulations to our Resident of the Year, Joe Archer.
Surprise! We got the whole family, Joe. Good job, boy. Oh, hi. Oh, look. Okay, if y'all could have seen Joe's face right about the moment when he realized we were talking about him. His mouth literally dropped. That was, I'm hoping we got that on video. All right, everyone scoot in. There we go. We'll make two layers. Yeah. I was gonna say, we'll go to the other side. We'll double up. Yeah, please. There you go. Well, yeah, there you go. There we go. We're gonna. Look at that. And Joe will also receive a $5,000 monetary award and his award. So congratulations. So, yeah, family, if you all go that way, we've got some seats upstairs. Okay, do you now really get, wow, it's my favorite day, right? Look at family. Okay, whose family's next? Thank you, doctor. All right, I'd like to invite Dr. Ty Hughes-Dillard back to join us as we will now introduce you to our advanced practice provider nominees. And by now you know the drill. When I call your name, please come up and join us. I would like to first introduce you to Ashley Carter from Cardiology. Ashley is an outstanding clinician who many cardiologists and transplant service providers rely upon for follow-up and clearance of patients undergoing kidney transplant evaluation. As the lead APRN for the cardiology section, she has helped to standardize practices for the APRNs with grace and professionalism. Through her work, patient care has improved, become more efficient, and our practice continues to make advancements. So join me in saying congratulations to Ashley. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Sarah Hess from Transplant. Sarah is a dedicated advocate for her patients. Her clinical expertise is matched by her genuine empathy and compassion for every patient that she encounters. Sarah has a remarkable ability to connect with patients on a personal level, earning their trust and respect while providing them with the care and support they need during these challenging times. So congratulations, Sarah. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Hala Ismail from the Clinical Decision Unit. Hala's demeanor is characterized by enthusiasm, dedication, and reliability. She approaches every task with a positive attitude, demonstrating unwavering respect and responsibility towards both her colleagues and patients. Her involvement in the Nurse Practitioner Council has driven policy changes and implementation, further highlighting her impact within the healthcare community. So please join me in saying congratulations to Hala. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Janet Kotler, Emergency Medicine. Janet consistently places the patient at the forefront of every encounter, ensuring her plans and management of the patient is appropriate. Her compassion is evident in every patient interaction, creating a supportive environment for patients and colleagues. Her role as a practice mentor for nurse practitioner students allows her to lead in numerous quality improvement projects, such as improving sepsis outcomes and decreasing time to pain management medication administration. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Christine Loquacio from the Short Stay Unit. Christine is responsive, accountable, and goes above and beyond to make her patients feel comfortable. She thoroughly evaluates her patients and relays information to patient and staff swiftly. She collaborates with nurses and other healthcare members to confirm that our patients' questions and concerns are promptly and appropriately addressed. Her kind and welcoming manner helps staff, patients, and families feel comfortable asking questions. And so with that, we say congratulations to Christine. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Lisa Nuccio from Hematology and Oncology. Lisa is an outstanding APRN and is notable for her considerable experience and enthusiasm for clinical care and clinical research. She excels in patient care and communication, and our patients finally look forward to their visits with her. Lisa actively participates in professional development opportunities, always staying ahead of the latest advancements in oncology care. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Mary Pasquinelli, Pulmonology Medicine. Mary never loses sight of the primary purpose, patient care. Patients love her. One of her best attributes is the ability to form meaningful and lasting relationships with her patients. Her work brings a state-of-the-art approach to a historically underserved population. She embodies the altruism, quality, and compassion that serves as an example to all. So congratulations to Mary. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Stephanie Tawari, also from cardiology. Stephanie's deep compassion for her patients is matched only by her relentless advocacy for their well-being. Her attention to detail and practical approach make her a dependable clinician, while her strong sense of social justice drives her advocacy for patients' broader needs, such as mental health referrals and utility assistance. Stephanie has fully embraced a multidisciplinary approach to patient care, as well as an advancement of her profession. So congratulations, Stephanie. And last but certainly not least, let me introduce you to Su Ying Yoham from gastroenterology and hepatology. Su Ying provides meticulous and excellent patient care. She is always proactive in learning and strives to learn something new every day. She is patient, calm, cool, and collected even when faced with stressful situations. She's a great listener, and her patients value her for her excellent communication skills. So we'll say congratulations to Su Ying. And now I'd like to Dr. Tahis Diller to share with us our recipients.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all of the nominees. This is phenomenal. It is an honor to share with you a few more details about our Advanced Practice Provider of the Year. Those who nominated our APP of the Year had this to say: I'm immensely proud to work alongside someone of their caliber, and their presence at UI Health is a testament to the exceptional quality of care our team provides. Their high level of excellence and dedication to helping our patients have made a lasting impression on my nursing career. I'm honored to work with such a committed, compassionate, and trusted clinician. Our APP of the Year is an excellent researcher. They have published data and programs in multiple journals and presented and represented UI Health at national conferences. Our APP of the Year tirelessly seeks out all available treatment options for the patients they serve. This award recipient is extremely collaborative and curious and genuinely interested in making sure the entire team is heard and members are happy. They care about their teammates and will go the extra mile to help someone who may be struggling. Their interactions with patients are full of kindness and empathy. She is a well-known and recognized leader in lung cancer prevention, both nationally and internationally. She has built a lung cancer screening program which encompasses patients from screening to diagnosis and then becomes an integral part of their cancer care once diagnosed. Mary's dedication and innovative approach have significantly advanced our lung cancer screening efforts at UI Health. The growth and success of UI Health's thoracic oncology program would not have been possible without her leadership. Please join me in congratulating our 2024 Advanced Practice Provider of the Year, Mary Pasquinelli.
Please, come on up. Please, come down, come down. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming. Please join us up on stage. Surprise! Please, everybody go, yeah. Everybody come on up. We're not shy.
Oh my goodness. People came from far away. Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir. Come on, everybody. Oh, yeah, we're going to double row.
We gotta get the husband there.
Yes, my partner in crime there. Mary will also receive, yeah. Okay, the room's starting to get full. We got one more left. Okay, so we are now on to our last set of nominees, and that will be for our 2024 Attending Physician of the Year. And so, again, when I introduce you, please join us up front. And so to start us off, thanks, Dr. Radosta, please come on back. I'd like to introduce you to Amir Ardadi from Cardiology. Amir has an unwavering commitment to enhancing the patient's experience and to ensuring that patients receive the highest quality care. His remarkable commitment to being a team player and his unwavering selflessness is evidenced by his willingness to go above and beyond for not only improved patient care, but to ensure his colleagues have what they need. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Ronnie Chovutia from Anesthesiology. Ronnie takes the time to understand each patient's unique circumstances, providing personalized care that addresses their physical, emotional, and psychological needs. She thrives while working in multidisciplinary teams. Her capacity to collaborate and integrate across many disciplines improves the effectiveness and quality of care provided here at UI Health. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Teresa Ferrer Marrero, from Pulmonary Critical Care. Teresa is passionate about evidence-based research and strives to incorporate relevant research into her clinical practice and education. She leads the airway curriculum for the fellows and coordinates guest lectures for grand rounds within the department. Teresa additionally provides teaching on new research during rounds in the MICU and often dedicates additional time post-rounds to education. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Leah Finkel, Pediatric Emergency Medicine. Leah is a dynamic faculty member who is focused on improving the care of children across UI Health. She is a lifelong learner with experience in clinical service, education, and mentorship. She shows exemplary dedication to living and teaching our core values of inclusion, compassion, accountability, and excellence. She has the most wonderful spirit of optimism as well as great humility. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Sagar Harwani from Internal Medicine. Sagar is a physician that leads by example. His tireless work ethic and willingness to help in any situation is admirable. The dignity and care of our patient population remains the drive of his focus. He brings together many colleagues with varying expertise to identify problems and arrive at working solutions. Advancements would not have been possible without his guidance in design, focus, and insight into practice and policy. So congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Kristen Keenan from Pediatrics. Kristen actively advocates for diversity in all aspects of medical practice, ensuring that every patient, regardless of background, receives equitable and personalized care. Her efforts to understand and address the unique needs of our diverse population have not only improved health outcomes, but have also built stronger, more cohesive community. Her compassionate approach, combined with exceptional clinical skills, ensures that each patient receives the highest standard of care. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Gerald Levine from Nephrology. Gerald is a master clinician and is the go-to resource at UI Health for the care of patients with complex nephrology problems. His patients appreciate his personalized approach to their care, his empathy, and his strong communication skills. He is committed to training the next generation of physicians. He has a strong and well-deserved reputation for being an outstanding teacher. Congratulations, sir. Next, I'd like to introduce you to Jennifer Lloyd from Psychiatry. Even in the most challenging of patient interactions, Jennifer is consistently able to appreciate the needs of patients and partner with them to achieve treatment goals. She is a tireless advocate when system barriers threaten quality patient care. Jennifer makes it her mission to seek out feedback and care planning from every discipline involved in patient care, be it nursing, social work, or therapies. Congratulations. Next, let me introduce you to Sarah Messmer from Pediatrics. Sarah is an exceptional physician, researcher, and professor. She has given multiple lectures, and the common theme of all of her work is addressing health disparities and developing innovative care delivery models that center on the patient. As an internal medicine pediatrics and addiction medicine physician, she wears multiple hats in different departments within UIC and has excelled in developing innovative care delivery models that elevate patient care. So congratulations, Sarah. Next, let me introduce you to Amanda Perry, also from Family and Community Medicine. Amanda has demonstrated a significant commitment to teaching and is recognized locally and regionally as an outstanding educator. She serves as the program director for the Family Medicine Residency Program, ultimately responsible for being a role model, supervisor, and mentor for the residents. Amanda's clinical skills are broad and deep. She consistently demonstrates an insightful understanding of complex medical issues combined with a compassionate approach to our highly diverse patient population. Congratulations. Next, let me introduce you to Miriam Redley from otolaryngology. Not sure, was Miriam able to join us today? She's not, so let's go ahead, we'll still go ahead and give her a round of applause. Next, let me introduce you to Natalie Razine, Hematology and Oncology. Natalie fights tirelessly for her patients and leads with kindness and compassion. She is passionate about nurturing the next generation of healthcare professionals. She's an advocate for health equity in our underrepresented minority patients, both in the community, in her treatments, and research. She promotes learning and understanding to those around her with the end goal of giving patients the best care they deserve while they undergo an overwhelming cancer journey. So congratulations to Natalie. Let me now introduce you to Pavan Srivastava from Medicine and Pediatrics. Pavan values his clinical work the most. He continues to care for both adults and children in the inpatient and outpatient settings. He approaches his work with compassion, good humor, and humility. He can remain calm in difficult situations and always treats others with the utmost respect while putting the patient first and always delivering excellent, high-quality care. Congratulations to Pavan. Next, I'd like to introduce you, and certainly last but certainly not least, is Nicole Thompson from Anesthesiology. One of Nicole's remarkable abilities is her skill in creating a supportive and respectful work environment. She listens attentively to her patients, colleagues, and other healthcare professionals, fostering a collaborative and respectful work environment. Her exceptional communication skill ensure that medical information is conveyed clearly and understandably, and she always puts the patient first. Congratulations to Nicole. And also nominated but unable to be with us again today is also Dr. Mark Gonzalez from Orthopedics. So congratulations to him. Okay, well, it's about that time. I'll invite Dr. Radosta back over to share the news.
And once again, congratulations to all the nominees, Physicians of the Year. The stories have been wonderful. I know that everybody puts their heart and soul into caring for our patients, so thank you all. It's now time to announce our 2024 Physician of the Year. Our Physician of the Year has been described as a gifted clinical leader, an educator, and a researcher. A pleasure to work with. They've never made me feel afraid of asking questions and took the time to address my concerns. One of the most valuable and effective teachers I've ever had the privilege of learning from. A lifelong learner. A driving force in recent improvements efforts within their department. These efforts have been made with the greatest of personal care and dedication. The most wonderful spirit of realistic optimism as well as great humility. She is a voice for humanity and efficiency. Our Physician of the Year is a passionate educator who prides themselves on the rapport they build with their trainees, fostering the inspiring our next generation of medical providers. Our award recipient has served as an invited physician house advisor since its inception. In this important life educator role, they guide medical students through the curriculum and serve as a mentor as they navigate both life and medical school. Throughout her education and clinical leadership, our Physician of the Year has maintained a high level of scholarship. As one example of their scholarly productivity, they presented over 15 abstracts and posters in the past 3 years. Our Physician of the Year is focused on improving the care of children across UI Health. She is active on numerous committees, plays a key role in developing sound practices that are key to improving health care for children. Leah serves as a physician champion for recognition of UI Health as an emergency department approved for pediatrics, a certified organization. She's worked tirelessly with the Department of Pediatrics and Emergency Medicine, physicians, advanced practice providers, nursing to ensure the highest quality of care for children, meeting all standards to maintain this emergency department approved for pediatrics certification. Most recently, she's worked closely with the physicians at Stroger to implement and strengthen our cross-institutional pediatrics partnership. She's made UI Health and our world better through her education, her clinical leadership, her scholarship, her community service for others. She's a role model and inspiration for all of us. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our 2024 Physician of the Year, Leah Finkel.
Come on up, everybody. Please come on up. So I will confess that please come on up. I'm going to tell a story about you.
Oh, no.
when I said, oh, did you bring your guest? And she says, well, no, my children wanted to come, but I wasn't going to let them miss school. Surprise! Come on up, come on. Everybody, please come on. Come on, guys. Come on, everybody, thank you. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, the surprise is over. Oh my gosh, my pleasure. And everybody gather together. So honestly, your families have known for months.
No, I'm in real trouble.
You are in trouble. Oh, wait. I keep secret tissue under my podium. All right, well, to that, let me invite Dr. Rosenblatt back up to the stage to share a few closing words with us, please.
Thank you so much, Kathy. Perhaps let's first start by just a rousing round of applause for everyone, all of our awardees. We so very much appreciate your commitment, dedication, and service to UI Health, and most importantly, to our patients. We recently introduced our FY25 strategic plan here at the hospital and clinics. The theme, of course, is mission-driven as one. And I can't think of a better way to encompass the contributions and the way that these folks have worked to make us better. It takes all of us, all of you, working together to make our health system work and be great. The leadership shown by our Nursing Excellence Award recipients, the commitment to our academic health enterprise shown by our Award of Merit winners, the amazing dedication shown by our service year honorees, and the outstanding work, patient care, and support of our colleagues displayed by our employee and providers of the year. Your work involves everyone, inspires everyone, and impacts everyone. We are privileged to be here to honor you today, and we are grateful, of course, to also have your families with us here to help us celebrate you and your accomplishments. Again, thank you for all that you do, have done, and will continue to do in service of our patients and UI Health. With that, thank you all very much.
Okay, just a few no more surprises, I promise. So a few last minute surprises. For anyone who received a big check, if you can please make your way back up front for just a few more photos. I would also like to invite our 3 service year recipients up front for some photos as well. We do have a buffet lunch in the hallway, so I would encourage you all to please feel free to stay and enjoy and sit with us. And if anybody would like a group photo or a photo of your department or team, we've got our amazing photographer up here. He's going to stick around for just a little bit, so just kind of queue up front, and we'll take care of that. But thank you all so much for attending today, and I hope you have a great afternoon. So thank you.